Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can enter split screen view on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. In my case, Play Store. Now access background apps. In order to do that with trickiest navigation, tap on this button with 3 lines. Now click on this icon with the rectangles at the top right corner and select the other app, like Chrome. As you can see, finally, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!